Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're doing how to set up a Harbor Freight Predator 4375 watts, and let's see, and we're gonna set up to, okay, it is coming with this jets, and then spark plugs, a couple of these too. Today is June 21st. I just bought it yesterday, and today I'm unpacking it. I also bought this wheel kit with that too. So this thing cost me $329, and the wheel kit is costing me only $29. Most of the things you can buy from Harbor Freight. They have the coupons and all that stuff. The retail right now is I think $350 for this. Let's start working, and let me put it over there. This is the manual, operator's manual. They made this very good chassis, very attractive equipment. It has a low oil alert light over here, then on and off switch. You can also get 12 volt DC volt for charging your battery, laptop and stuff like that. And this is the breaker. Now you have 120 volt, 240 volt. These are 15 amps, and this another one is 15 amp. This is GFCI. So at the bottom right here, it's a ground port. You can use a 6 AWG cable, and one end over here, other end goes to the ground, and that way you will be protected for any short circuit. So now you have two of these GFCI cable, GFCI switch sockets, and then 120 to 240, 15 amp max. All right, so next we go at the bottom. Here is the oil. You can put the oil from here, and this is the drain switch. So whenever you want to change the oil, just unplug it and you'll be fine. Make sure you put something at the bottom, so that way it is not gonna be spilling all over. Besides that, if you go, you can see right here there is a fuel gauge up here, and it can hold up to 4 gallon of gas, and the oil is 1/6 of the quart. 32 ounces equals to the 1 quart of 5W30 oil in it. That's what I'm gonna use. So 16 ounce, I'm gonna put a little bit extra so it can make up to 60% of this quart. Okay, so this is the quick start guide. It shows you what are these things around here, and then when you add fuel, if the oil is low, it will not start. So this is you have to be careful as it shows in the picture. And then this is the fuel valve that needs to be open when you have it. This is the lever. This is your air filter right here. You can just this is the air filter right here. Just put it back. Okay, see right here, this is the choke. Okay, to start you do it this way, and to run, after you start running, just put it on the run position. Same way this thing is right here, you see the picture, it is in the off position, you put it down, it will go in to the on position. I think this gasoline is just self-explanatory. It explains itself. It has a filter in there, so whenever you put the gas in there, so you cannot use 85E in this. Nowadays they stop making that 85E anymore, so I think you don't need to worry about it. So let's get to work then. So let's open this thing. This is coming with this and more wheels and this. Let's find out. User manual too, and you should get it when you have yours. So 1, 2. Let's see what we got. Okay, now I'm gonna do these footings, which gonna be just like this. The support at the front, it's gonna be this is gonna be 13 size, 13 number ratchet, and just tied it up. 10mm ratchet. Same thing at the bottom. This like this. All right, so this is for this. This is a 32 ounce. 1 quart is equal to 32 ounce, and I have this for 16 ounce. So a little bit over than 16 ounce will be 60% of this oil. So let me all right, now let me open this oil thing. In there now, a little bit small. These are the funnel I bought from Harbor Freight. It's 4 of them. It is on special for 79 cents. So I just bought it for no reason, but now it's a good thing I bought. So as you can see, all the oil is gone in there, which is 60% of the quart, which this machine holds it. So, okay. Put the back clockwise. Just drip one drop of the oil. Now all right, open that thing. It tells you add fuel stabilizer, do not overfill. So basically fuel stabilizer is additive you add in the fuel. The basic function of that fuel additive is to, if there is a moisture, sometimes there is a water in the gas, gas comes with from the gas station, so it is recommended by them, but you don't have to do it. But especially when you want to store the equipment for 3 months or 6 months, at that time I believe you have to have it. But right now, since I'm gonna be using it, so I'm not putting in there. So let's get on the gas. Yeah, this is the gasoline. I got it from Phillips 66, and it is this tank can hold up to 4 gallons, and this is 5 gallon, but it's not full all the way. So I used it before, so I'm just putting it. I believe I just did almost 3 gallon gas in there. It is recommended not to overfill it or spill it, and thank God I did not either spill it or overflew it. So let's just, this thing is done. Now first thing, need to do this, open the fuel, turn on the choke this way. You see this? You see this right here and this right here. Right here, turn it on. Now I believe what happens, I turn on the choke and it was on for so long, that might be the reason it was not cranking up before. Then I turn off the choke and it just started right away. Okay, after 2 hours running, I stopped the motor, stopped the Predator, and waited 30 minutes, and after that I changed the oil, and this is the old oil which came out, and this is the new oil I'm gonna put in there. So I just want to show you that 2 of those guys who recommended it is not in owner's manual, but I think they did a They know exactly what they are doing, and you can see how much bad color it is. So all the gunk is inside the engine just came out. All right, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed and you will get something positive out of it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you subscribe it, great. And if you have any questions, please make sure you put it in the comments section below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you very much. It's been nice talking to you. Bye.